Hello everyone, my name is Michael April, and for today's video I'm going to explain a Python code related to user registration, like collecting a data from a user, like such as username, full name, type of role like user admin, and a strong password. So in this code I'll walk through the logic behind the user registration module. So ito yung code, and the goal is of this program is to collect basic user information and enforce proper password security standards. So first, so as you can see here, I go train. So it's just a header, display yan, and next is yung full name. Collective basic information. So the system first collects the user's full name and username. This field have no validation in this version, but they essential for creating a user profile. So kailangan siya para makagawa tayo ng registration or rather account. And so here, let's just see while the uh, so here the purpose of this is kailangan like kung anong role mababalidate yung kung anong role niya, like use a while true, so we use while true loop to ensure the input is restricted to only two valid options like user or admin. Converting the input to a lowercase normalized data, preventing issues to capitalization like lagay ganyan. Next is special password policy setup. Special ito like mga special characters para pwede siyang ilagay sa password. So password validation logic. Ito yun. Ito. Well, we enter another loop dedicated to password validation. The valid flag is used to track whether the password meets all requirements. So, ano ba yung mga requirements na yan? So, yung mga requirement is minimum length of 8. Ito yan. If length, password, valid, false, yan. Then, at least uppercase. May isang uppercase or isang lowercase. Ito yan. Dalawa. Tapos, numeric numbers ito. And yung special character na nilagay natin kanina sa special, ito yan. Kailangan meron din siyang isa. So, hindi siya magva-valid if yung password is not mag-exceed sa 8 or yung pinaka-minimum na is 8. Kaya 7, hindi siya mag-go to. And walang uppercase, walang lowercase, walang kahit isang digit or special character. Ito yan, not valid. And pag hindi valid yun, syempre, ipaparetype. Ito yun. Yung tawag dito is to avoid accidental password mistake, we record the second input. So, if the confirmation doesn't match the original password, the system prompts the user to retry. So, pag hindi ka pagparehas yung password na nalagay, ang mangyayari is ulit. Mag-request ulit yung system na kailangan yung i-input yung tamang password. So, yung final output is yung registration successful, mag-print siya. So, ilalagay dyan yung username, name, full name, user type. So, try natin. So, lagay natin yung pangalan ko. Enter. Username natin, Michael24. Admin. Lagyan natin admin. Password. Kailangan, ano yung nakalagay sa taas? Kailangan at least must be minimum 8. Tapos may 1 upper, may lower, and 1 digit. So, lagyan natin. And so, nag-register siya successful. Hindi siya naka-hash kasi walang nakalagay sa code natin. Pero as you can see here, lumabas ang registration successful. Kasi okay ang code. So, overall, this script demonstrates a structured approach to user registration, combining input, handling, validation logic, loop control structure, and basic security enforcement. It's a simple but effective and example how real system validate user credential before account creation. So, pwede siyang gamitin, pwede siyang magandang practice na gamitin pang start sa Python kapag Python user registration. So, it's up to you. Siyempre, kailangan mo mas maganda yung system. Pwede siyang, kumbaga, para siyang pinaka-backbone mo na. Yun. And, that's it. That's for this video. I hope you learned something. And, thank you. Bye-bye.